Welcome to the Well Revolution app. Before you're about to consult with your doctor, you'll need to complete your profile. Tap the icon in the top left corner and tap Profile. Scroll down and enter your address. Choose from the populated list. Tap your date of birth, select in the scroll wheel, then tap your mobile number, enter one number. If you know your NHI, you can enter it here, otherwise you can leave it blank. Next, tap on Select Practice and scroll down until you find your doctor's practice and select it. Then tap Provider and select your doctor. If your doctor hasn't yet registered on the app or isn't available, you can tap Selected Practice and choose 24/7 doctors. These are doctors available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. You'll also need to add some payment information. So go back to the main menu and tap Billing. Here, enter your payment card, the name of your card, the expiry date, and the CVV number on the back of your card. Tap Update, which will add your payment information. Now you're set to consult with your doctor. Head back to the main homepage and tap the new message icon in the top right. Your doctor's practice, hours, and fees will display. You can confirm to enter a new consult. Inside the consultation, you can type text messages. You can also tap the microphone icon in the bottom right to record a voice message. Tap the plus sign to take a photo, a video, or choose a file from your phone. When your doctor replies, you'll get an alert notification on your home screen. Tap that to enter back into the conversation with the doctor. There you can continue messaging. If your doctor needs to issue a prescription, they can do that right inside the app. As soon as the doctor has created a prescription for you, you'll see a notification from Charlie, the virtual assistant. To see your prescription, head back to the main menu and tap My Prescriptions. You can tap View to look at the details of the prescription. And when you're ready, select it and choose either Deliver to have it delivered to home, or choose Pickup to select a pharmacy nearest you. Once that's done, you'll see another notification from Charlie, letting you know that your script has been sent to your chosen pharmacy. When your consultation is ended with the doctor, your doctor will close the consultation. Once that's done, you'll notice that the consultation room has closed, and the room will show Read Only. Once the consultation has closed, your payment card will be billed for the fee charged by your doctor. If you need help at any time, go to the main menu and tap Contact Us. Here you can start a support chat with any one of our support representatives. Please be aware though that these are chat messages with our customer support team and not with doctors.